Welcome to our programming channel. Today in Jquery we will see toggle method. In previous video we have seen hide and show method or hide and show effect. We can use hide method for hide button and show method for show button. With hide method or hide button we cannot show the image or div or elements. Like that, with show method or show button we cannot hide the elements or div or images. So if there is need of hiding and showing effect on single button, or if we want to perform hide and show action on single button, then we can use toggle method for single button. First we take one image. We have taken one image. Image ID is img1 and image is sunrise.jpg. We have given height and width. Let's see, this is the image. We take one button. We have taken one button, value hide show and ID toggle btn. We take one div. Div ID div1 and we have given text day. Image hide show button and text in div day. In support.js we want to perform action on toggle button. So when we click on button toggle btn, first we want to hide the image and div. When we click on toggle btn, first we want to hide the image and div, and click again on toggle btn, then we want to display image and div. So we have given hash img1.toggle toggle hash div1.toggle. So let's see the effect. If we click on the button, image and div is hiding, and if we click on button again, image and div is showing. Let's give the style for this div. Width 200 pixels, height 100 pixels, background orange, border radius 100 pixels slash 50 pixels, text align center. We have image, hide show button, div with oval shape and with text. If we click on hide show button, image and div is hiding. If we click again, image and div both are showing, but the speed is fast. So here we give speed of 3 seconds. Now the speed feels proper. Now we will take another image and another div. Image ID is image2 and image is sunset.jpg, and here div id div2 and text is night. If we see here, now we can see both the image. Initially we want first image only. Text is also appearing. If we click, we want to show second image, and here div with night. When we see at first time, we don't want to see the text in the div. So and when we click, we want to show image 2 and div 2. So image 2 and div 2 hash image 2 dot toggle hash div 2 dot toggle. So now if we click on hide show button, we can see first image and first div is hiding and second image and second div is showing. If we click again, then first image and first div is showing, and if we click again, second image and second div is like first div. We will apply style for second div width 80 pixels, height 80 pixels, border radius 50%, box shadow 15 pixels, 15 pixels, 0, 0, yellow, text align center. When we click on first time on this button, first image and first div is hiding and second image and second div is showing. If we click again, the second image and second div is hiding and first image and first div is showing. If we click again, first image and first div is hiding and second image and second div is, and if we click again, second image and second div is hiding and first image and first div is showing. So this kind of creativity we can perform with toggle button. We can perform hide and show effect on one single button with the help of toggle method. That's all for toggle method in jQuery. In our channel, there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching.